Let's cover the disclaimer. This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades. We are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could potentially be closed before you even see us opening the trades due to the YouTube delay. There's a latency. 15 seconds, I'm an active scalper. Also, I trade off stream, so you don't get to see the complete picture. If you copy our trades, you will lose. So do not copy our trades. We trade offline. You do not get to see the complete picture. Trade on demo only. We are not licensed professionals. We're not providing any investment advice to anybody. We're not providing any trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we're not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Also, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. Okay, with that being done, taken care of, let's get to the charts. Let us start with MNQ. And I like to start off with 15-minute charts. Wow, it's been quiet overnight. Well, maybe not. Yeah. That's from some serious sideways action. But I do also want to see the current volatility in the markets. 7-point average range of 1 minute bars right now is 7 points, which is not bad. It's a little more. Usually, I would expect it on a normal calm day to be around 4, 5, so we're almost double regular volatility. So there's some volatility in the markets. But I don't see much going on here on the 15-minute chart. The London session lows and the Asian session lows are pretty equal. London went a little bit higher. Let me make the picture a little bit. You know what? I'm going to change change it and make it bigger. Spread it out a little bit more. And look at the 15-minute chart. Going back to December 19th before Christmas. Well, we've been pretty much in a decline since Christmas. Boop. I heard a boop. I don't know what it was. Somebody messaged me somewhere. Huh. Oh, there you are. Wood chip. Wood chip. Where are my messages? Docs. Chat. Yeah, I thought it was today also. I scheduled my stream to start at 8 a.m. because I thought I would be online, a little bit before the announcement. But then I saw a video last night saying that non-farm payrolls is on the 10th. So I said, okay, I'm not coming down at 8. Well, next Friday. Not with the same company or with the same company. I don't think if you do that in the same company, it would. I don't know. Maybe on evals they wouldn't care, but yeah, I've thought about that a lot of times. I've never done that. Okay, so well, it's very hard to be bullish. This is the 15-minute chart since Christmas. Yes, there are, a lot of little rallies, but pullbacks, retraces, whatever you want to call them. But the trend is down. Was that your chair or the cat? That was the cat. Okay, so I got up my 5-minute chart. Well, right now my 1-minute chart is... Oops, no good. What the hell did just happen? I have a third chart somewhere. Oh, I know what happened. That happened. Let's see what's happening in gold, 2660. No, of course you can't do it unfunded. Wouldn't even think about it. It'd probably ban your account. And you certainly couldn't do it on live. You wouldn't do it on live. Okay, let me just gather my bearings here. Okay, I'm gathered. Everything is pointing long. I will be back in about 2 minutes. I'm cold. And I want a sweater. So give me 2 minutes, guys. That's funny. I'm back. Oh, don't open that light behind you. The tree, just press the button on top. I can't reach it. Oh, the tree on top. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Yep. I see those London highs. There is a gap. There is a gap. Yeah, well, that would be taking out the Asian session lows and the London lows as well. At least the way I have it marked up on my charts. My charts are a little bit unorthodox, the times that I use, but most of the time they're accurate anyway, since it looks like the lows, well, no, the lows were reached here at midnight 25. No, they didn't, yes. That for me is a bullish sign, though. $927.03. This screen is make it smaller. Okay, let's get organized. What am I going to do? Well, I have two accounts that are very close to passing. So those accounts are going to be traded. I'm starting off with my 25K account. I'm $600 away. I'm going to trade it small. Like I said, the goal is to, oh, market alert. Yeah, I want to try and pass it by midweek next week. So make 100, 150 a day. That's 4 days. That's not bad. Anyways, that's the goal. And then I have the 50K account that's about $400 away, if I remember. No, I just left it $600 away also. Okay, so same thing. I'm not using the trade copier today. Not interested. Caused me too much grief. I'm just going to take my signals off the wrinkle charts. Play the open. Oh, I didn't set up my strategies. Let's get those all locked in. And 45 seconds. Again? It's terrible. $15 seconds.
I'll have one ear open.
I'm going on vacation with you.
Pause it.
Okay, that was a quick. Don't trade that account anymore. 2 losses. Take a break. Start on 201. Entered in very late, 7-1. Oh, it's true. This one shouldn't be. Maybe it should be. My calculations were wrong. Okay, so that one was good. Actually, I made a double mistake. Okay, remember. What was my double mistake? I went short. I wasn't supposed to be going short. I completely forgot. I gotta write that down as a note. I changed the way I'm trading the open. I used to take all the signals, short, long, short. I would take the first 3, but now I'm only taking the ones that go with the trend. So there should have been only one trade. It would have been a winner. It's too bad. I do definitely have to make a note of that somewhere. I can take a little flyer here based on where we're trading. 36 around the 29 level. If it comes down, 31 I'll add. Let's see if we can go back up to 43. It'll be 12 points. I'll take that. My stop will be at 22 approximately. Oof, only $1. Don't accumulate quickly when you're doing 1 micro. There we go. 43, 43.50. Took it. $20. Small little thing. Add to my booty. Remember, I need to get 600 to pass this account. Yesterday lunch high is where the big dump happened. Take a look at that on the 5-minute chart. It's not on my screen. Yeah, that's where we're at right now.
It's alright, Art.
No, that's fine. Okay, me, I have to wait for the next signal. What do we got? Just taking a quick look on what Counter-Strike's been doing. Counter-Strike looked like it's been doing very well. Shorts, longs, long lost, short won, long winner, long loser, long winner. Anyways, since I enabled it, it's up 8 points. And what? Oh, yeah, it's really only valid after the market opens, the results. So, and that's about, I think, when I enabled it, my strategies. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see if this 350 level turns into a ceiling. That's that level, I'm guessing what you're telling me there, the lunch. The lunch highs. It really got rejected right off those, eh? And it was a big dump. What was it? How many points? 340? 300 points? Wow. I think that's just when I left the charts. I closed down. Okay, looking for a long at 36 about. See if we can get that. I'm short one micro 39. Wow, yeah, no, I'm far away from being able to go short. I got a terrible fill on my long, but I'm up 40, almost up 50, so I'll ask.
I got a great fill.
Yeah, I got a lousy fill.
I don't even know how.
7 points too much. Okay, 152, target. 242. Nice target. Counter-Strike just took another winner. Wow, you really did get a good fill. You got 7 points better. I paid 7 points more. Lousy play. No, mine worked out perfect. Wow, that's loud. Yeah, no, I know you. Okay, this trade is a Counter-Strike 2-bar retrace trade. Those are the ones I take manually. And I'm going for about 12 points. Just on a one lot, 51, let's say 61, 63. So we're going to have to break the highs for it to work out. My stop is a bar closing below the price channel on the left chart there. I didn't even work on my sizes. I'm not even sure what sizes I should be trading. I wanted to make all the accounts equal, relatively equal. I don't know if I'm explaining myself well, but there we go. 65, 67, sell ask, turns orange. Okay, that was 12 points on a Counter-Strike trade. Very good. Getting there, not taking a lot of risk, plus 179. But my 25K account, if you guys remember, that's down 100 right off the open. Trade I shouldn't have taken, but I forgot that oh, look, I'm going to add a little one here. Wow, look at that 1, 2, look at the delay. Click buy the bids, look, 6 seconds later. That's terrible. Even with trade of 8, it does that. Yeah, close it. These things shouldn't be happening. Wow, nice run.
Crazy.
Yeah, that's a big fair value gap also on the 1 minute. How many points? 67. Well, this bar isn't close yet. very low risk trade over here. Put my thing on the close button. Excellent. 07, 12, 19. 19 points for, you know what, I got more than 10 points. I'm going to take it. That was like a 2-point risk. I got in early right here on Counter-Strike at 21,400. Why did I get in long? Because if it closed below the price channel, that's my exit. So I was like risking 2 points. I got 10 out of it. I'll take it. Wow, that's a very rapid 7-point, 10-point dump, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, now what's going to be happening on my end over here is I'm going to be getting long signals right at the U.S. session highs, and I hate those. That's often where we get false signals.
Look, my MFFU didn't get one.
Mm.
I'm telling you, it's weird. A lot of the times I don't get one.
Okay, waiting for a long signal. I'm going short. Yeah, well, it's a good area to go. Is it a good area? No, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I might take that back. No, I don't see any reason to go short.
I missed it.
Oh, I wasn't even watching. I was looking at gold. I'll take it for one. And again, we're bumping up against the U.S. session high, so I'm up, I think, 200. I don't want to put too much risk in it. What am I got? Almost 10 points. Come on. $13, $21. That was 7 points. Maybe a little bit helps. 10 points. I'm taking it. 223. Remember, I just got to get to 600. And I got in late, so. Did you have a setup or justification for the short? What chip? Matushka. Never heard of her. Oh, shit. I missed the 2-bar retrace on Counter-Strike. There's another one now. Let's see if I can get 12 points out of this. It's the second one, so it's not the greatest. And if this bar closes, I'm out. Oh, it turned white, I'll add. I don't like my ad, getting out of the ad. I would have liked to see it go a little quicker. But I will still try to get 12 points out of this. Or at least 10. I'm only a one lot. I'm going to add again. It does kind of look bearish though. $40 already. Okay, stopped out. Came back quite a bit there. I'm going short. I'm back. No short. Huh.
Woodchip, if you ever hear me humming, let me know. I'm curious.
The mic is very sensitive.
No, that's why I'm saying. If you hear me humming, it's annoying, you know.
Oh, no. He's just saying you heard that very loud. You didn't have to. You just talk normal. It picks it up very well. Ha ha ha! He's laughing.
Damn.
Yeah. Okay. Keep watching. Keep waiting. Let's get one more push. Cover a little bit there. Again, it was a 2-bar retrace into the Donchian channels that I took over there. Chart on the left side. That was my setup. And now I'm waiting for a short. Again, coming back to the first 1 minute fair value gap. Does that happen often? Is that something you see quite frequently? Coming back into the original first fair value gap on the 1 minute chart. Like, what I mean, is that something I should be putting on my radar?
Who you talk to?
Woodchip. Seems like he looks at the first 1 minute fair value gap quite often.
Then it'd be here.
Like that we revisit it.
Come on.
I know. So many times I've seen that, and I get in early and I pay the price. I didn't click early. Supposedly half the gap gets filled 70% of the time, and you wait for the first fair value gap to fail. Where do I have the first fair value gap? Let's I guess this one right here. Well, I had potential for some short setups there for a while, but fails half the time in the first 30 minutes. Oh, well, that is a short setup. Film me. There we go, got a better price. 71, I'm in at 76. Can't complain about that. This one's going nicely. Let the rest go. That's a 4. That's a 5. I'm out. 311. That was a good short. Alex is still holding. He's better than me.
No, I got out pieces. I'm not holding.
You're holding.
I'm holding one. I'm holding 20% of my position.
I didn't even hold. I got everything out. I had a piece. I could. Ow, what the hell's that
about me?
I could have held.
Got an empty.
Well, that was a nice dump. That was a 40-pointer, definitely. I don't know if I got 40 points off it, but that was a 40-pointer. I'd have to review the game tape. I have 1 micro left. Yeah, I'll be looking to get back in short again.
The volume's been pretty high lately, huh?
I don't know.
The speed of the...
Oh, the velocity, yeah.
Yeah. It's been pretty quick.
What are we on the...
The moves are quicker.
Well, look at that again, eh? 1 minute ATR, 1 minute...
It's in the 30s? I can't see.
In the 30s, that's it. Average range of 1 minute candles in the 30s. That's very high. That's very high. Extremely high. Tell me if it triggers. I want to check the volume on the NQ. $467. Wow, it's really low, the volume. The last 3 times I checked around this time, around 10 o'clock, it was 700,000. And then it was 600,000. Now it's 400,000.
And it's going to trigger.
Yeah, I'm watching. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let the sellers come back in. Do it for wood chip. He wants 240. It's 100 points lower. Okay, let's get a good one. We had a 7-pointer. I mean, 42-pointer. What am I saying? 7-pointer. This one's not going right away, so I lightened up. Short 350. The grid doesn't bother you.
The what?
The grid, all the horizontal
No.
and vertical lines. It's so bright also. Like here there's a grid, but it's much more subtle. Okay. Yeah, I have to stop doing this. It's going to cost me, look at that.
Hey.
$70 getting in early. Didn't trigger. I have to stop getting in early on my trades. Not necessarily. I mean, I guess the first half an hour is up if you were talking about that.
Bro, how did he not get me in?
Okay. Well, I have to make a confession. That was very poor trading. I'm lucky to have gotten out without damaging my profits for the day. Both of them. Two poor trades. That's why I went so quiet. Two poor trades. When I had poor trades on both of them, I got in early. And I had to sit through the second one in a lot of pain, and I was pretty much risking all my gains for the day. Alex, I would get out if you have a trade. The price action is very erratic, which means there's probably... Oh, there is news at 10 o'clock. There's the PMI. It's a high impact news. I'm out. You don't even see what's going on. My charts froze.
Bro, I clicked sell market up here.
Markets froze everywhere. All my platforms froze.
And it filled me all the way down here.
Mm. Yeah, that's how news goes.
Yeah, but it froze, but I was supposed to get up here.
Yeah, it froze also. No, you don't get what shows on the charts. You get the actual prices.
Of what I click it at.
No, it's not. Because there's latency sometimes, especially on on news events. All the platforms do weird shit.
No, that's weird, bro.
Counter-Strike, top left, 66. That means it's up about 30 points. Yeah, there's latency issues right now.
Yeah, it's
There's
very
delays.
latency.
I just clicked sell market and it was like 10 seconds later. It got me out. What I'm going to do is, how am I going to do this? I want to reboot. So, how do I do this? It usually clears up because I'm getting delays, guys, on my screen. Actually, I'll just try a one lot and we'll see. But if not, then I'll have to reboot NinjaTrader. Let me see. Sell ask. Okay, no, that wasn't so bad. Get out, close. That was a $40 experiment.
Let me refresh.
I'm quiet today. Okay, well, my 50K account is $325 away from passing. I just checked. I'll get it a little closer if I can, but I'm not in the mood to. I'm not going to pass it today. I'll try and get it over the $3,000 profit target on Monday. Monday, I'm going to have to deal with my 25K account also. What chip did you buy? Some accounts from Apex with the 90% off sale. Oh. And for you also. And that's the smarter button to click anyways.
Yeah,
Because if you click sell
I
market, sell
didn't click
market, sell
I didn't
market, sell.
click sell ask. I did exit at exit.
No, but if you would do sell market and you click it 5 times,
Yeah,
you
I
would have
know.
sold 25
I know.
lots. Yeah, exit is much better, smarter button to use. Taking the flyer here for just a one lot because the markets are strong. My stop is about 7 points. And if I can get, which I already had, I should have gotten out. I said I wanted 10 points. I got my 10 points. And you know what we did? We just poked through the US session high. So too many times I get burned like that. I got out. And it looks like it was the right thing to do. Oh, look what I have. I have a setup on Counter-Strike that I like to take. It's the manual one. That part closes white, which it did. I like these when they go down one. So one more bar. Ah, oh my
I
god!
knew it.
Look, I clicked close. Wasn't working. You knew it, and you didn't tell me.
Well,
I'm bugging you.
I thought.
Yeah, yeah.
There you go.
Oh,
I'll change my words. I thought.
I know. Okay, I'm long at 99 instead of 06. That's good. Anything can happen. Got some of my losses back. And 301. So I'm playing at the 300 level. And what do we got? Counter-Strike is long again? Oh, okay. I'll take the Counter-Strike trade. It's going to get me twice. I will do a one lot. Let's see if I can get 12 points out of this. I'm not doing more than one lot. Last one lot I think cost me $60. That's my 20. Counter-Strike target filled. Sub 22 points. Yuck. I'm playing off the Counter-Strike chart. But again, I'm going to lighten up because it didn't run right away. I like when they run right away. This one looks like, wow, I'm really not able to get over 300. I think that's, once I'm treading water like this, winner, loser, winner, loser, winner, loser, winner, loser, I think it's time to maybe be at least a lot more selective on my trades. As a minimum. If I do get a trigger on the setup on the set up triggers on the Renko charts, I will add a 2 lot here. Because it looks like it could go. No, I'm just doing crazy trade management here. I'll keep this last 1 lot. But I'll have to get out of it soon. Yep, 244. I'm churning the account.
I thought he was gonna do it here for the inverse. I thought he was gonna do it here. That would have been nice.
See if I can improve my price on the 3 lot. Now I'm hoping a short trade triggers. Extra yuck, yeah. I'm really hoping a short trade triggers and I can add to my position. I'll just make it a 2 lot and then add it for the 2 lot. And I really do think that'll be my last trade. There's the ad. We'll see what it does. You hear my stomach?
Yeah.
It's not been kind to me, this trade. But it can still dump. I'm lightening up though. Cancel that. I have no idea where I'm at. Buy bid, that was good. I got up 60. Wow, that was fast, up 60 on the 2 lots. Too bad I didn't have my 6 lot. 295, back to 295. Guys, I'm taking a break, going for a walk. Kind of trading poorly. I'm executing poorly. I will be back in a few minutes. I'm back and I feel like a new man.
What happened? You just emptied your rectum.
I rectimed. Deleted. How we doing?
Okay.
Squissa. What? I didn't know you can do that.
Yeah, I figured it out yesterday.
Do it again?
Just a little thing here.
But is that
yes, that's after commission, after everything.
after?
Yeah, because look.
Yeah, eh? Sacrament. Shit, look, that was a 42-pointer, eh?
Yeah, I know.
1, 2, 3, yes, it
You're talking
was.
about your rectum.
Yeah, you distracted me. Okay, well, look, Chip went short. Right at the right moment.
How much would chuck if a woodchuck would?
He went short at 10.20. He catches these moves. He's a son of a gun. Catches good moves.
Okay. Your first gold triggered.
No, did it really?
Yeah, for the first one. Why is there no handle?
I don't know. It came off. I gotta put it back on. Are you still short, or did you take profit? We broke below VWAP. And of course, we took out the US session lows, which means now we run higher like a crazy. Or do we go back down? Au revoir. Coming up to VWAP at 310. Oh, I don't have my headphones on. And because I'm short, we're just going to blow right through it, of course. Okay, I got to take my small little loss. I turned my profitable day into a losing day. What can you do? Okay, boys and girls. VWAP's going to get me again. I went short under, going long above it. Like I said, VWAP for me is a curse. Okay, if anybody saw that, don't tell anyone I did that. Now I got to get back on track. Seriously, with 2 lots, micros. That shouldn't have happened. You know what I'm going to do? I'm removing VWAP. It causes me nothing but troubles. It doesn't give me any, or just a little gain, but I use it too often to enter trades. And it causes too much damage for me, so I'm going VWAP-less. Full port. Yeah, full port. Short, long. Yeah, VWAP is distracting. Oh, you're talking about me. No, that wasn't full port. That was just irresponsible trading. Full port is when it's planned. That was impulsive trading. Yeah, no, I took it off because I make decisions based on it, and it always hurts me. It's just not doing good for me. So I'm going to remove it. Well,
Oh, I feel much better now.
look at the difference between yours and mine.
Oh, I feel much better now.
Yeah.
I told you.
Crazy. What's going on all of a sudden?
You don't listen. You don't listen.
I listen. Trade evade is better all of a sudden. Short. Yeah. Short. What am I? Yes. Everything is pointing short right now for me. Why did I do that? Okay, wood chip is short. I will join him for a one lot. Oh, I'm on the wrong account. We've really come up into a wall over here, eh? Al?
Yes.
Ceiling, not a wall. Take a little piece off because we're not able to. We don't seem to be able to break through this 340 level. So maybe it will go, but I took a piece off. If it goes, I still have a piece. While I sit back and let the market do its thing, I'll enjoy my coffee.
I went to the bathroom at the right time.
It's never the wrong time to go to the bathroom. You know what, I'm taking this too. What's going on with Counter-Strike? It's not enabled. And one for, oh yeah, I know which one we're going to move to. The 5-minute no fair value gap strategies. There we go. Well, everything is really looking bullish. We didn't break the Asian London session lows. Yeah, we did break the US session. That was formed for the first hour or 40 minutes, but technically we still formed initial balance at that time, so go back to the 1 minute. See what we get. Okay, Counter-Strike just went bullish with a flip long. Yeah, everything is kind of looking long. 5-minute chart for me especially, since we didn't go and take out the Asian and the London session lows. I have a decent Counter-Strike signal here. I'll add if that bar turns white, which it did. Wow, Counter-Strike went long very quickly. It's a strong push. I'm finally going to have a new high on the account. 402. There we go. Hit the 400s after an hour. Excuse me. Wasn't a 40-pointer, but it was a 20-pointer. Thank you, Counter-Strike. Look long at 42. Good move there.
Just waiting for gold now. My order's in. the waiting game. Locking doors and
Free
turn
Willy.
the lights down low.
Hey, is that my shirt?
No, it's mine.
Yeah.
For real?
Oh, yeah.
Kat says I'm just gonna keep gaining weight, so she's been giving me a bigger shirt.
No, you should watch it. It's not fun.
She said I'll fit in them soon.
No, seriously.
What?
You should watch it, because once it starts to snowball, it's harder and harder to
Oh,
come
no,
back.
my dad's calling me fat.
No, I'm saying be careful. Don't get there. That's what I'm saying. Sorry for the clearing of the throat. Okay. What's going on?
It's just on my stomach, though.
Because
my weight for my height is not bad. I'm 6'1", only
I
at
know, but you worked so
207,
hard for
208.
so many years. Stop eating the
Bourlage de
hazelnut balls.
Berlin.
What are they called?
Bourlage de Berlin.
Buttelash de Buttline. Yeah, don't eat the Buttelash de Buttline. Wow, another big dump. 84, 40 point moves. The volatility, the average range of the 1 minute bars is now 25 points for anyone that cares. Oh, you're not taking any more signals off the wrinkles?
No.
$47, $50. I'll just trade it small, one lot. Let's see what I can catch on this. Still long wood chip? 1034 at 42. It's at 47 now. Or you took profits on that run.
Shorts look nicer than longs.
Yeah. I disagree. I agree to disagree.
I agree.
Actually, I'm going to add to my long if we can close above the price channel there on the Renko chart.
To disagree.
And we're getting there. We're getting, boom. I went long with Counter-Strike.
Wait, when do you give up on the second one?
I got to watch it go through.
Yeah, watch.
Let's go. Pop it. Good enough for me for a Counter-Strike trade. I'll take a piece off. See, I always get out early, eh? I have that cancer. I always have to get it. Oh, I mean, in this case, it's. Oh, look, no, it's another setup now. Now it's the 2-bar retrace.
Oh, my head.
Ooh, I like it. Go long already. Come on. Form a white bar. Don't dump on me. Form a white bar. Run back up. Let's go. There we go. One more. 2 white bars. I don't want to stall. There we go. Take that piece off. Still holding a 1 lot. I'll take 20 on this 1 lot. 10 points. I took profit. Good man. 10 points, 10 points, 10 points, 10 points, 10 points. 8 points. And That's good enough. 7 points. Come on, I clicked the ask button. 468. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I sold just when we got an entry, a long entry trigger on the Renko charts. Oh wait, so we're coming back. I can get back in. Let me see. I'm going to fight for price. It's 64.
The ship has sailed.
No, if it comes back to 64 before it goes to 70, 71. 64 bid.
The ship has been pushed back.
There we go. 65.25. Not so good. And let me watch it for 7 to 10 points. Seven to 10 points. 65 to 75. That's 10 points. There we go. 71. I'm going to take 72. 7 points. I got to be close to passing. I am $200 away. $200 away. That's
Can you answer my question now?
Oh, what was it?
When you give up on the second one? Forever? You just go till 12? Or whatever
never.
Okay, you never give up.
But here's the thing. You know the stop is the bands, right?
Yeah.
So assume the low goes above the top of the band.
Yeah.
Right? When you break the low, you enter. But if that bar closes and it's above the band, you get out. So if it breaks the low above the band, you want it to go back into the bands. That's what you're hoping for, so that you can get your 2 points. Even if you're in profit, if it closes, that's how I recorded the results. Even if you're in profit, if it closes above the band, the trade's closed. Wow, the coffee's good. Try this. It's a new thing. I think you're gonna really like it. What do you think? Don't finish it though.
All your coffees taste so similar.
Really?
Kleenex, I gotta blow my nose. Yeah.
You guys seen these new cell phones with the clear screen and the clear backing? My wife just got one. Where did I go? I think I go this way. Can you see it?
The phone is called Gullible One.
Yeah, that's it. It's the Gullible One. It's by Elon Musk there. So you just... Anyways, I'm waiting for my first call on it. Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
My eyes were watery. I couldn't read.
What are you reading? Nothing to read. It's quiet. Nobody's on. Nobody's in. We're talking to ourselves. There's an echo. Hello!
Hello! Hello! Hello! Hello!
What was that noise?
I didn't hear anything.
Sounded like someone was talking. Did I call somebody by accident? That was weird. Long Bitcoin. BS. Long 85. Yeah, I could potentially get a long signal soon. Let me know if you enter it. Because that might. What? Hello?
Yeah.
No, I'm gold because mine doesn't do it properly. Coding doesn't work on my computer. Go figure. What's so funny?
Carla David got V-Chain or whatever. And it's up 10-12%. I wrote, I'm going to bring Bella to the vet because the symbol of V-Chain is VET. I was like, what happened? I'm like, bro, she's flying up. She's up 10% I wrote vet equals V-Chain. Gotcha. I put the dancing emoji.
Long 85. Yeah, I could get a long entry soon. That might happen. I'm watching. Check the Renko charts on the top left. If they cross the price channel, that's probably where I'll get my entry on the chart that's off screen also. It's a different chart. We're trying 71, 85. My setup will trigger at 85. You got in before me. You know what? Every time you get in before me, usually I get in at a worse price, but it always works out. So I'm going to get in here at 79.50. I do have a stop at 64. Ooh, that's 15.78. I'm long, sorry. I don't know if I want to. The stops are always, when you get in early, the stops are so far away. What will I do? What will I do? Will I commit to this trade and then give up a ton of my profits again? Totally off. Too many mistakes. Can't wait to get back to trading. One lot.
We're just going to be trading sideways.
I wouldn't say this is sideways. $11 here? I don't know what that means.
It's 11 where he is. No?
Well, it's 11 everywhere. Yeah, I'm trying to work my way out of it now. I'm talking to Woodchuck for minimal loss in the teens. There we go. I'll get rid of one. This one can go up to 20. It would be about a $10 loss on the entire position. That's more than acceptable. Actually,
it flashed on me.
Yeah, actually, it's
Whatever.
Oh, you got in, you got out.
Yeah, I'm gonna be done.
Show me. Show me.
Hello?
Good.
I'm in front of my charts. que je dors à ça, ces temps-ci.
I may get a signal to go.
Moi, les temps des fêtes maniquées.
57.71.
Yeah, all I do is
That's
eat,
it.
drink, and then
It went long. I'll go along with this trade. I'm doing well, and
temps des fêtes.
things are going my way today, sort of. Except for that shitty trading, but I'm back on track.
Sous quelque chose, moi j'ai vu.
I'll slowly scale up. This last piece, I'll let go. I'll let it run. We'll see if I can get.
The notification I got was for
70. Where am I long? I'm long at 72. I'm gonna see if I
it's
can
at
get.
5 cents and 5 cents and a half.
I don't want to say anything because it's going back down again.
Ouais.
I'll end up getting stopped out probably.
Let's see, Quant's 121.
78 at 64.
Yeah.
64 is not bad. It's 8 points.
Man, it's not good.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it. 505. Very good.
121's pretty.
I'm gonna take it.
Yeah, which is good, but still, 120. Bro, ça peut monter à comme 200 en même pas une journée. Ouais, V-Chain, c'est good, là. VET, breaking dollar to the vet. I'm waiting. I'm about to enter it soon. Yeah. It didn't trigger yet. I think it's gonna trigger in the next 5 minutes.
Shit. Man, it's been going well, the gold?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Re-entered at 69.
Alright, so laisse les gars à droite, il parle. Ciao, buddy.
57. Yeah, if I get a trigger, I'll join you. This time I'm not going to join you early. I want to see my chart trigger also. And that would be at 64. But at 43, I can no longer take. I feel like I'm wearing. Oh my God. I'm not even going to finish that sentence. Do you know what I was just going to say?
No.
I feel like I'm wearing a hat today. But what I meant was, you know, a hat, like when you go outside in the snow.
Yeah.
But I am wearing a hat. This sucks. Yeah, some days it just doesn't go. Hey, you're in, no?
Yeah.
You didn't tell me.
What do you mean it's supposed to be automatic? Why would I tell you?
No, mine doesn't. I told you. Mine doesn't do it.
Better price you get.
Not better price because I took the first one. What's your entry?
What is that?
I'm short at 57.8.
Me too.
Really?
Wait, what? 50? No, I'm short at 58.
Yeah.
Wait, how is it 58? It's supposed to be here. It's the data box of this.
Is there news at 11? Is that why Jimmy said 11?
Oh, it's supposed to be at 58.1. The entry is supposed to be at 58.1.
Okay, it's another $20. I'm gonna let this one go. I have a feeling this one could potentially be a runner in NQ. the NQ. We got the gold trade.
Let me know when I can show you something.
Yeah, I'm watching gold now. 57.8. Your orders in?
Yep.
Yeah. 57.8, 55.8.
Can I show you something?
Yep, as soon as I get out of these four. I had too many, I just averaged. I DCA'd. I see, Top Step will never fill you on one. If it fills you on the whole fucking order. Anyways, it is what it is. Go.
You're swearing.
Let them demonetize me. That's hilarious. He didn't even notice.
Look at this one. Hits him. He didn't even realize.
Jesus, some people are just like on the moon, eh?
Look at the microwave.
The microwave's turning.
Look.
Okay, you said a few seconds. You didn't say 20-minute video. I have a trade on.
Get ready to catch them.
Doesn't hit the ceiling.
Get ready.
I have another $35. That's good enough for me. It's like 17 points. 550. I got to be approaching the pass mark on this account. It was 600 in the morning, but there are commissions in this. But that was funny. My son just showed me a video of a toaster that shoots 10 feet in the air at a hotel. People are putting in their toast. And
leaving the light on. If you're the last person to leave, turn it off.
women being women.
I can't see anything. It would help if the porch light was on.
Yeah, women being. Hey, I like that shit. Lowering my risk on the gold trade. You see, look at the chart here. Where's the initial entry? Look how far away. You see how the initial entry, the first one. You see how much farther away it is from the stop? Yeah. Gold's not playing fair today. NQ, Counter-Strike is long. I'm long at 73, a micro. I think Counter-Strike is long. Oh, no, it was me that was long. I don't know how that happened. But it did. What's the counter-strike chart? There's the counter-strike chart. Target filled on counter-strike, so wonderful. I stopped out because I misread my charts. And that's my day. We're there. Wow, Counter-Strike's doing good. $148. That's 70 points.
Pas gentil, ça.
Hit me an A over here. Just hit the A. Okay. Okay, we're gonna make a run for the initial balance high, or did we just take out this high over here and gonna head back lower? I say we head back lower. 435 target. Are you done for the day?
No, I closed my stuff, so I'm gonna come back in a minute.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe we'll do this. I forget that you trade on Tradeovate. Okay, it's just me. That was a little bit of a dump. Okay, well, what am I doing? I'm waiting for a short trade, I guess. Just to recap for myself, I have a short bias right now, I guess, a slight short bias on the 1 minute and on the Renko charts. How far am I passing? $160 away from passing on the 50K account. That means I've had a lot of commissions. Let's see. 57.43 approximately is where I would be. I should be shorting. I don't know if I'm going to take this one though. Counter-Strike went short. Target filled. 167. Counter-Strike's having a really good day. I must say. I don't think I've really seen too much of a bad day on Counter-Strike. I think I've seen it down once, about 40 points. But then it recovered during the day. It's really doing well during the U.S. session. We're holding out here, but the sellers do keep popping their heads back in. No. $11 It might be soon quitting time. I should get that whistle from the Flintstones. Counter-Strike might have a short trade. The manual ones that I take where there's a 2-bar retrace. This bar turns red, you have an entry. And if it turns white, well, there's no more entries possible because it'll be a cross over the price channel. Looks like it's going to close above. No entry. Not yet, but it's trying. Maybe a short. Yeah, that's where I'm looking now for a short. It's not an A plus setup though for me because the 5-minute is still bullish. What do I want to do? That's weird. Wow. Wow. I think it's a quiet day today. I'm thinking maybe that's why there's this kind of weird price action behavior. Oh, yeah. Oh, Counter-Strike just went long. I took my headphones off because I want to hear something, but that's crazy. That's crazy. Looking at the gold chart. I'm short 65. Mm-hmm. Thinking it should be quitting time. Wood chip. I think we're both kind of struggling today. Well, I'm going to get a set up the manuals. I'm going to get the manuals set up on the Counter-Strike system. Not sure if I want to take any more trades though. I had a good day. I blew my. Oh my goodness. Well, you have to be careful on your funded. That's not fun. You know, you still there, Wood Chip? I mean, I know you just wrote a message, but yeah, it doesn't pay to blow the accounts, and I'll tell you why. I'm assuming you're on Apex, and Apex has the consistency rule for the drawdown. So I don't know what size your account was. I'm going to assume it was a 50K account. Let me just enter this trade here off screen on another. Give me a second. Okay, that was good. Yeah, they have that 30% drawdown rule, meaning that they don't want you to draw more than 30% of your accumulated profits. And if you don't have accumulated profits, if it's a new account, then you can't draw below 30% of the trailing drawdown. So I'm going to assume it was a new funded. That's a $2,500 trailing drawdown. And you can't go, they don't want you to have even an unrealized loss of more than 30% of that. So 30% of 2,500 is 750. So once you hit 750, if you go to 760 on unrealized losses and you recover, and then the account goes up, well, that's 800. Let's go a little further. $800, $900 in unrealized losses, or $1,000. And then it turns around on you later in the day and you show a profit, and then the next days you show a profit, and then you go for a withdrawal. Your withdrawal is going to be refused anyways. It's going to be denied because you went below the 30% loss. They have those money management rules now. So it really doesn't pay. I mean, I think it's a great thing that they put in place, because there's no point in blowing an eval is one thing, but the funded accounts, I actually have on Rhythmic, I've set limits of 10%. Is it 10%? Yeah, 10% of the entire of the drawdown on my funded accounts, which I am not really trading lately. As you can see, it says Apex under the account header. If it was a funded account, it would say PA, because I'm not really impressed with my trading. But nonetheless, you should just put in a 30%, a 20%, a 15%, but just put in a stop over there. That rule started with Apex 3.0. It's been a while, I think. I don't know. Let me show you the page. I forgot which page it is. That's why I got to pull it up. I'm an old man. I forget things. Let me just go into Apex. Go to the FAQs. And right at the top of the FAQs, it says Help Center and Status Updates. And I think we will see it here. We go down, 1120. No, it's not here. I was sure it was here. Hold on, let me see if, I was sure it was here. Okay, let me go back to the FAQs. Wow, so sure it was here. Target filled. I just heard that in my headphones. No, they changed that page, so probably be in the FAQs. Evaluation accounts. What does? Oh no, it's not the funded accounts. True. Performance accounts. There we go. Let's see if I can put the link for you. Yeah, this is quite a while ago. General rule enforcements for Apex 3.0 payout and trading rules. Dated. I just saw the date. Oh, well, anyways, doesn't matter what's dated. These rules start November 1st, November 6th. I remember because I squeezed in a payout just under it. Anyways, here's a link. See if it works. I don't know even if I can put up a link. No, they have both. They have the profit rule consistency and the loss. See if that link works. I'll find it for you though. Hold on. It's a long page. You got to go down about 30-40% of the page. It is after quite a bit after the 30% consistency rule. You're going to see the 30% consistency rule. That's what you're talking about, profit consistency. And then there's the safety net, probation, 100% payout eligibility, trading requirements, dollar cost averaging, contract size consistency, scaling, and then risk management, and then the 30% negative P&L rule. So, oops, what did I just do? I just lost you. Sabamal. Chat. There we go. There it is. Let's see if it all shows up for you. I haven't updated my knowledge on the top step rules. I heard they added a couple of rules that people were unhappy about. I don't really know what they are. But look, I'm not against these rules with Apex because they help. You know, if you know that you can't draw down more than 30% of your profit, or if it's a new account, the trailing drawdown, then, like I said, it saves your account from being blown up in one day. Like the most, if it was a 50K account, and if you didn't have any profit in there, you shouldn't have gone below 750 because it would deny your payment anyways if you recover. So I'm trying to set, I'm not so consistent, so I don't want to talk too much. But me, I do plan on going into my TradeEvade account and making TradeEvade shut down the accounts if I go down more than 300 on the 50K accounts and 150 on the 25K accounts. But I wouldn't put it more than 600 because, if the markets are moving quick, you can see some slippage and that can get you over the 750. Again, the 750 is 30% of the 2,500 trailing drawdown, which is what you start out at. After you make profits, for instance, if you get up to 53,000, so you have $3,000 of profit on your funded account, 3,000 times 30% is 900. So at that point, you can go into drawdown open, unrealized of $900. If you bring it up to 54,000, you can have a 1,200 unrealized loss until this kicks in and will get your payment denied. So it keeps people from YOLOing it, from full porting, because it's too easy. For the life of the account, for the life of the account, as far as I know. But it's on the profit. So if you get your 50K account up to 60K, your 30% negative P&L is now $3,000. Let's see what we do here at the initial balance high. I'm not sure how it works, so if it's cumulative, like if you take a withdrawal. I think it's based on the balance. I would bet it's based on the balance. Yeah, so now there's really no reason to blow a funded account in one day because that's 70% drawdown that you used for nothing because you already passed your 30%, your first 30%, and once you pass that, they're going to deny your payments anyway, so you might as well stop. That leaves you 70% for the next day. And just to clarify, because I know I don't explain things clearly, until you pass 52,500, which is the trailing drawdown, it's based on 52,500. So that's basically what they assume you're at. That's kind of like your starting balance. And your 30% is calculated on that. It's not calculated on zero if you just got the account today. So 30% on 2,500 on a 50K account is $750. So it never goes lower, never gets tighter than $750, but it does grow, which is good as you accumulate profits. Yeah, you know what? I just had a thought. I don't get it. These guys, they change the rules like you didn't know about it, it seems. They change the rules and they don't notify people. That's just so wrong. Every time they make a rule change, emails should go out to every single funded account holder. And they should make you either digitally sign or at least acknowledge that you read the rules before you can trade again. They just change the rules like whenever they want without notifying you. Imagine speed limits were like that. They would change the speed limit without signs on the road and you get a ticket. Oh no, we changed the speed limit today. Yeah, it was 60 or 70 yesterday. No, today it's 48. You were caught going 55. You got a ticket. We don't put signs. We don't tell anybody. We just change it. It's pretty much what they're doing. All the firms. Bulenox is not bad. When they change a rule, they have a box that you have to check off and acknowledge it, but that's only if you're logging into the website. So for the funded, I had it up 600. So that's only 50,600. Early on, just making under $2 a day. Then this week, 3 days of losses. No, not the 600. It's minimum. It's the trailing drawdown or higher. The 30% is calculated on. No, just so your trailing drawdown is your floor. So that's $2,500. So the 30% is calculated on any amount at $2,500 or any amount higher. It never goes below that. So 750 minimum. The 30% on 2,500 is 750. You have a new account. Of course, they can't calculate it on zero on your first day. And they can't calculate it on a $100 profit and only expect you to not draw down more than $30. So yeah, they were reasonable for that. And they made it based on the trailing drawdown or higher. So anytime your account goes higher than the trailing drawdown, so if you got your account to 53,000, then the 30% is calculated on the higher amount. If you go back under the trailing drawdown, the 30% is calculated on the $2,500 drawdown. That's the floor. It never goes below that. I think I explained that part clearly. Ooh, I finally explained something clearly. I think I did. Anyways, don't hold my feet to the fire on any of this. I mean, that's my interpretation. That's the way I understand it. I'm 90% sure I'm correct. I'm even higher than 90% sure I'm correct, but I'm going to tell you 90%. But go read the rules. Use the link and go check out the rules. Is that possible? Oh, no. Wow. Look at Counter-Strike. $199. That's 100 points. Counter-Strike's killing it today. We just broke over initial balance. Heading towards previous day's high. Uh, 11:38. I think I'm gonna call it a day. How many times did the manual entry trigger? 1, 2. This is the third one. Third ones are never good. Third ones are usually trouble. I've seen some win, and today Counter-Strike is doing very well, but third entry is usually trouble. 15-point range on the 1 minute charts. Okay, wood chip, I think I'm going to call it a day. It's Friday. I think I had enough. And I think it's Friday. I'm so confused on the days. Let me check my It's Friday. Okay, so hopefully I'll be online. I'll be streaming on Sunday around 6 o'clock for an hour or something. See what's going on Sunday. I like the Sunday trading in the early evening. I find with the weekend there's a little bit of volatility. Doing it during the week, it's not so great, but the Sunday one is not so bad. So I'm going to head on out. Have a good weekend. And hopefully see you next week. Take care. Bye.